Welcome back, VA user. In today's video, we are going to learn how to link a particular print format with a certain window. So let me open AP invoice to showcase you. So you would be able to see here, there is a print button. Okay. And in this print button, there is a printout is linked. If you want to link a certain printout on a relevant window, how you would be able to do so, we are going to learn in this particular video. So here you would be able to see there is a printout that came up and how we can link the printouts with a certain window at this particular button. So I just want to showcase you. For that, we just need to log in into the application dictionary. So at the level of the system tenant, we just need to open the screen configuration window, search the relevant window, and then we'll move on to the tab, because in our case it is AP invoice. So I'm moving on to the tab and I want to link my print is with this particular tab. So I would be able to come here and I will see that with this particular field job, that is the invoice vendor report. So invoice vendor report, if I will unlink this, save this, cache, and then AP invoice. You can see at this button is disabled because we have removed the job here. Okay. So that was the invoice vendor report. So invoice vendor report, I'm linking again. So here it is the invoice vendor report. If I will save the job here, linking with this, it will enable my this button, print button. So you can come here, say cache is set, and will open, and you can see the print button is enabled and I would be able to take the printout. Here one of the important part is you would be able to link any of the job here, but if that job is not related to this table, then there might be a possibility you will get the printout, or system gives or throws the error if the printout is associated with some other window. So you just need to link the relevant printout that is related to this particular window, and that printout contains the SQL query associated to that. But this is the way how you would be able to link or enable or disable this particular print button. That's all in this particular video. If you think that this video is helpful enough for you to enable or disable a print button, then I would request you to like and subscribe our channel. Till then, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.